Today, we will talk about how to pack jewelry for a move. Let's have a look at the details. Are you wondering how you can keep your jewelry safe, secure, and tangle-free during an upcoming move? No problem. Jewelry collections often include a lot of small valuables that are hard to track individually, but a few clever packing hacks can ensure you don't lose a thing. Carry valuable pieces in a jewelry roll. Hand-carrying items in a jewelry roll ensure their safety while moving. Even if you pack other items separately in a box, consider investing in a jewelry roll to carry your most expensive and prized items. Most rolls contain several pouches you can use to organize and store jewelry. Then, roll it up, fasten it closed, and transport it to the new destination yourself. Thread necklaces through a straw. Storing necklaces in straws ensures they don't tangle while moving. Use a paper towel roll for larger necklaces. Paper towel rolls work like straws to keep jewelry from tangling. Chunky necklaces, and bracelets, can still be protected by threading them through a tube. Wrap jewelry items in bags or packing paper individually. Packaging jewelry separately protects it from damage in transit. Store each piece of jewelry in small plastic snack bags, or wrap each one in packing paper for safekeeping. Pack multiple items together with sealable kitchen wrap. Smaller jewelry collections can be folded in kitchen wrap for protection. Hook earrings through a foam sheet. Foam sheets can hold earrings in place and keep them together. Thread several pairs of earrings, as many as you can fit, through small craft foam sheets. Then secure their clasps on the other side of the sheet. Once all your earrings are attached, tape the back of the sheet to hold them in place. Use buttons to pack pairs of earrings. Buttons conveniently have two holes you can use to keep pairs together. Feed each earring through the holes on a button and attach the clasps to hold them in place. A single button can hold a pair of earrings, so you can keep different sets buddied up for the move. Store small jewelry items in a pillbox. Pillboxes make it easy to organize jewelry without losing anything. Small items like earrings and rings can easily be packed in a pillbox for safekeeping. Pillboxes stay closed during transit, so your jewelry is safe, and they make it easy to keep track of each item. Pack small items in a repurposed egg carton. Egg cartons also have multiple cups for organizing rings and earrings. If you'd rather get crafty instead of buying a new pillbox, grab an empty egg carton and store a piece of small jewelry. Seal the carton with packing tape to ensure it stays closed. Put accessories inside a jewelry box or armoire. Packing the entire jewelry box helps to keep your collection organized. If you have a jewelry box or armoire where you keep most of your pieces, you can always use it as storage for the move. Once your jewelry is wrapped and packaged, put it back in its designated box. Transport packed jewelry yourself, if possible. Not all moving companies move jewelry because it's expensive to insure. If you're using a moving company, check their policies for moving jewelry, too. Some companies might require you to move valuables like jewelry yourself. Regardless of what you use to pack your jewelry, try to transport it yourself rather than throwing it in with the rest of your belongings for movers to handle. Keep your jewelry out of the heat while moving it. Many precious metals are sensitive to heat and temperature changes. Jewelry should ordinarily be kept in a space where the temperature is under 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 24 degrees Celsius. A little temperature fluctuation during moving is normal, but avoid storing your collection in the hot trunk of a car or moving van. Instead, keep it in a part of the car that has air conditioning. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.